Hey, what's up guys, my name is Denis. Welcome to another video where I test camera gear and accessories for you. If you're gonna enjoy in this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, the sub will be much appreciated. Not so long ago I reviewed Hollyland Mars 400S. It's great wireless image transmission, but a little more expensive. There is also 400S Pro now, but it's even more expensive. That's why today I'm gonna show you not so expensive and possibly good Hollyland Mars 300 Pro. Mars 300 Pro is very similar but very different at the same time from its older brother 400S. They both do transfer image. They both can connect through HDMI. But what they can't is that both cannot be connected via SDI. And also, they both cannot be powered via USB-C. And not both have external antennas. Is that bad or it's good? Let's find out. This time, all of the buttons and display are on the side. Some people prefer that, others don't. For me, it's same. Display is smaller, but big and bright enough to see everything important. From signal strength, channel, and voltage of battery. Under display, there is multifunction button for menu, channel changing, and so on. On the other side, transmitter is little different from receiver. I'm used to have in and out on monitors, but Hollyland also achieved that on 300 Pro. Usually monitors have higher latency than this type of transmission systems, so Mars 300 Pro transmitter have HDMI input and loop out. That means you go from camera to transmitter and from it to monitor. Little different story is with receiver. It have two HDMI outputs for two monitors without any delay between them. If I go back to the display and the channels that I mentioned before, Mars 300 Pro have 8 channels. How I understand this is that each of these channels works on a specific frequency. So let's say that you have some bad image signal on channel 5. You simply change the channel on the transmitter to 6, to 7, to 8, to whatever, and it will automatically change the signal also on the receiver. And since most of these type of devices have fans, it could be little disturbing while recording. Thanks to the engineers of 300 Pro, now we have the control of the fan. When we record something where it really needs to be focused on voice, let's say, we can simply turn off the fan. Mars 300 Pro can also be powered from two different sources. First is the NPF batteries, and the second that I really like is the USB-C to power it either from power bank or directly plugged into the wall. As for most wireless, smart and similar devices is known, Mars 300 Pro can also connect with your smartphone or tablet. And one of the good things is that for connection with your smartphone, you only need transmitter, so you don't need receiver. Hollyview, as the application is named, looks like this. You basically get everything that monitor actually have. You can change the, actually not change, set the waveform, you can put the histogram on, you can set the focus, zebra, you can frame everything, you can magnify whatever you want. So let's say, there we go, okay. I want to magnify my eyes, or if I want to magnify my mouth, and so on and so on. You can set the false colors, you can set the monocolor, and if you press, let's say on the monocolor, you want to change from the red to green, or to blue, or to gray. And we also get, let me turn off everything, okay, zebra is off. We also can set the LUTs. And the best feature of this application is that you can record everything that you see from your camera directly to your phone. Consider this as an external recorder. Not the real one, but you can use your imagination. Okay, so why, where and when I need wireless image transmission? I mean, I don't need wireless image transmission to make some big distances and so on. What's most important for me is that when client is in second room or 2 rooms away, they can see clearly everything that I am recording in actual scene. Like the example that you see right now on your screen, where the monitor and the receiver are in the second room and my camera, of course, in my studio. This is important for me so that I can share my live view with my clients without them disturbing me while I'm doing my job. Of course, Mars 300 Pro can go up to 300 feet away one from each other. But as you could see from the video of 400S, even 300 Pro can pass this distance under the right condition. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description below, and in case if you decide to buy it, I'm gonna get small percentage out of the sales. So thank you in advance. Okay, I'm out for today. If you watched this video until the very end, write in the comment section down below Merry Christmas, as this video is uploaded exactly on the Christmas day. I love you guys, stay in love, and until the next time, ho ho ho!